Hello there, my name is Daniel Njoroge Kiriungi. I am a proud member of The Switch, and I take care of sales and marketing as the team lead. This morning, I watched a very inspiring video where the water bottle man, as he's called for Eliud Kipchoge, was so happy and excited to hand over the bottle to Eliud as he was running. And what ran through my mind is just how excited he was to do whatever he does. So what does it mean for me to celebrate service? It is that spirit, that philosophy of doing it with your all, giving it your passion, giving the satisfaction you derive when you give service to customer. Nothing beats that feeling you derive when you see a happy customer after they have been happy about what you did for them. That to me drives me. I'm always excited to see customers who are satisfied, customers who are delighted, and I actually believe in that spirit and that philosophy of customer obsession. Very closely related in customer service is about impact, is about delivering solutions that make sense to customers. I'm usually guided by three things. Is the solution I'm selling you as a customer delighting you? And because we are in a B2B business, we usually serve other businesses. Are the products and services that we are giving you enabling you as a business to actually delight your own customer? So it is on the first pillar is customer excellence. Number two is about the customer, the product or the service that we have given to you as a customer. Is it able to help you generate revenue? Basically, all the businesses exist for the purpose of making money anyway. And when we are able to use our products to empower businesses to make revenue, that one delights our hearts. And finally, we know, and it is across the world, that every business wants to do the customer delight and the revenue generation at a very low cost margin environment. And therefore, we look at how our products will be priced fairly, will be priced optimally, in a way that the businesses are going to derive a value higher than the cost they actually put in. So 3 pillars: customer excellence, revenue generation, and low cost regime. That said, we believe that in the next few months, in the next few quarters, we have a very serious and clear strategy on how we help the businesses that we serve through those 3 pillars. And we are really focused on, for example, helping our customers comply with the Kenya Revenue Authority directive that is ongoing. We have got very specialized products, and we are packaging them in partnership with banks in a way that every business is able to comply to Kenya Revenue Authority regulations without necessarily breaking a back, as we would say. How are we doing that? Through the partnership, those customers are able to get some financing that will help them connect the Kenya Revenue Authority systems, and they are able to pay with time. That one, they are able, therefore, to manage their cash flows and continue with their business, while at the same time achieving the bigger goal of compliance. We are also cognizant of the fact that most of the financial institutions that we actually serve are looking for innovative way of making money, are looking for innovative way of cutting costs. Therefore, our signature product called Verve is coming in handy. Whether you are a bank, whether we are a SACCO, whether you are a microfinance institution, we are helping to package Verve for your business in a way that helps you to cut costs. You don't want to pay so much money into a card scheme, and that's where Verve comes in. You don't want to pay so much money to a switch, and that's where Verve comes in. As a SACCO, you want also to generate revenue. So we have got products across prepaid business, debit business, credit card business that is being presented to you as the customer in the most cost-effective way and in the most innovative way that fits your business. So we are not just picking a product from the shelf and throwing it at you. We sit down and agree, how best does this product fit your strategy? How best does this product really help you achieve your own KPI? how best does this product actually help you delight your customers, and we deliver it to you. And top of mind, we are actually in a conversation as an industry to look at how we help the financial institutions in this ecosystem to actually derive the best from working with each other in an ecosystem. We call it domestic switching, or how these financial institutions can leverage each other's services, each other's infrastructure, such that if I'm a customer of bank A, I can go to a bank B and still get service. And that transaction will be smartly switched by InterSwitch. That to us is critical. That to us is something we shall pursue very vigorously in the next few months. As we conclude this conversation, which is a very delightful one as we think about customer experience, I would like to end with one thing. We play in a very interesting space as an InterSwitch. Think about it. There is no one single customer who says, I was so happy today I went to make payment. In fact, money getting out of the pocket is usually not a very delightful thing. It therefore puts us in a very interesting way. We empower customers to make payments, but we have to go through beyond the payments. When a customer uses their card or their mobile banking to make a payment, what exactly are they doing? As InterSwitch, therefore, our thinking and our philosophy is that we help customers to achieve what is meant for them through our platforms. It is about that parent who was able to successfully pay their school fees. It is not making the payment for the sake of payment. It's about helping them achieve that thing that matter to them, which is paying the school fees. It's about using our technology, and it's very well articulated in our mission to help communities, to help individuals, to help businesses achieve that what matters to them at the end of the day. Look at it this way. It's about that customer who was able to successfully pay hospital bills, for example, without a hitch. And as it is, if you think about it, it's about customer will be delighted when the payments go through, or not delighted when the payment does not go through, because of what frustration or happiness they will get out of that. I may be in a restaurant having a lunch with my parents, with my children, with my family. Or for those that are in the dating scene, they have taken their spouse out. Imagine when the payment goes through, there is that excitement. Imagine when the payment does not go through, that embarrassment of that I was not able to make the payment at the time I critically needed it. So when a customer walks through that door and wants to inquire from us for a service, we don't look at them as someone who wants to just consume a platform. We look at it from what experience do we want to actually enable? That obsession with what going beyond the transaction is what actually drives us from the sales perspective. We want to understand the customer's pain point or the customer's desired end goal beyond just swiping the card, beyond just making a payment via mobile, beyond just going to an ATM and withdrawing money. Why are they actually withdrawing the money? How important is it for them that the money comes out successfully? That to us is what is critical. That to us is what helps us to go beyond this traditional SLA 99.9 and say, no, we have to deliver the payment experience 100%, because the 0.1% failure may be actually be 100% failure to someone else based on what they were going for. Therefore, as we celebrate this service week, I would like to congratulate our sales team who do extremely well in ensuring that they understand the customer's desire, understand the customer's pain point, and endeavor to deliver that experience in the best way possible so that we can be able to go beyond the transaction and deliver an excellent service that actually speaks to what the customer really wants to achieve. And that to us is what we cannot wait to do every single day of our lives. We wake up energized, obsessed, excited, and very celebratory mode to come and deliver that excellent service to our dear customers. We thank you customers also for trusting us to deliver this for you, and we look forward to more innovative partnerships that will take not just your business to the next level, but your customers' delight to the next level.